Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming to you from a very, very wet Glasgow. It's still the COP26 here in Glasgow, but this park is lovely and peaceful, possibly because of the rain, but we've still got some glorious autumn colours, going slightly from the red to the yellow, more yellow now, golden. And if I'm very, very quiet when I come down here, you will hear the rain on the river. And I've got Darcy, who actually stopped because she's not very keen on the rain. And sometimes when we're coming out, she'll stop and look at me as if, really? Do we have to go out in the rain? I'm going to go down to this, really, I suppose it's like my favourite spot. I'm not going to let Darcy down into the water, it's still quite fast flowing. But I hope you all had a good weekend, and I know many are back to work on the Monday, but just stay as positive as you can. Be grateful that we do have rain. Be grateful that we also have sun. Lovely nature. I don't know if I can home in on this. Oh, there he is. That was a magpie. So it's, hello Mr. Magpie, how's your wife and family? That's what we used to say for luck. And you can see the golden of the leaves here. And then I'm going to go down. There's Darcy. Are you looking at the birds, Darcy? What's that, the birdie? But you're not going down into the water today. As you can see, it's still quite fast flowing and it's almost misty because of the rain on the water. Oh dear, there she is. She's gone into the rain, gone into the water. It's a duck she sees, it's a duck. Oh. You can just see the duck coming down. That's the duck she sees. You can just see the duck there. Oh, she's now in the water, trying to follow the duck. Darcy! She is. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. Oh yes. You a good girl? This way. These trees, nearly all the leaves are off this tree. And there again we've got Darcy standing. Do you not want to go any further, Darcy? Will we go back down to the river? Where was the duck? Eh? Where was the duck? Oh no, I think that's her saying no, no. I've had enough. Here's the duck. Darcy. Yeah. Sis. There's the duck. The ducks, the birds. There's the birds. There's the Heart's Ease Bridge. What do you see? I was looking at the magpie. No, I think the duck has gone. She's braving it over to the other tree there. I think the ducks have swum away. Oh no, there's two wee ducks there. Oh, I just see them. Darcy has seen them, but she's thinking now, do I have to swim in there? And there's the ducks there. You can just see the ducks. They're bobbing along. I think there's two of them. Oh, she's decided no. I don't think I'll bother following them into the river. The ducks, they're not swimming, they're actually letting the... Oh, there's 2 or 3 ducks there, they're letting... She hears the call of the ducks there. With her golden colour, it's quite difficult to see her among the golden leaves. Where is she going to come out? Playing hide and seek with the ducks, I think. Oh, there she is. Looking for the ducks now, but they've flown away. Come on. Nope, she's still down there. Come on. She's flying through the golden leaves. Come on then. Oh no, she's come back there. Come on. Come on then. Come on. You playing peekaboo? Come on. She's having fun playing hide and seek here. Still looking for the ducks. Right, we're coming, Darcy. Come on. Come on. Oh. No, I don't think you'll find the ducks there. Where are the ducks? The ducks gone away? Right, come on. Come on then, come on. Come on. It's definitely hiding. Right, I'm going, come on. Come on. Oh, there she comes. Oh, come on. There you are. She's a good girl. Come on then. Come on then. Yes, we hear you. Have you had enough? Was that enough? A wee swim? I love the green against the golden leaves. So I hope you've all been practicing my ABC. Today it's Monday. So maybe my A could be the affirmation, I am grateful to be out in nature. The B, remember, the breathing, the deep breathing. Breathe in through the nose. Hold. And then exhale through the mouth. And then C, creative imagination. If you find it difficult to use your creative imagination, then maybe look at some of my videos and just imagine yourself here. Imagine yourself watching the beautiful trees, turning from green to the autumn golds. Imagine listening to the rain on the rooftops or the water. Imagine the water, the noise of the water flowing fast. Or the ducks. I may be thinking about Darcy trying to play hide and seek with the ducks. So although it's a grey day, I hope you have a very positive day and look forward to chatting to you again soon. And of course my two trademarks, what are they? Smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And virtual hugs to everyone. Bye for now.